Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, and we're in bottle gourd field. See this bottle gourd, but this is triangle shape, and this is I think this is a moon shape, and this is triangle shape too. I think this is mommy bottle gourd, and this is daddy bottle gourd, and this is baby bottle gourd. Let's go under it more. Oh look! Ah! Look! It looks like pentagon. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a square or something? A diamond, I know. And there's a little diamond. And over here we have another bath. And now we're gonna see a giant large bottle gourd. Now this is really large. Nobody pick it, so it grows really large. It grows where it grows 1 million years ago, and so it comes big. And more bottle gourds. Oh, whoa. It's a long bottle gourd. And over here, like cylinder. And here's another moon shape. And over here. Whoa. How can this be so small? And here's another bottle gourd. We couldn't. How can this net? Who created this net? Let's go far away. And look, there's and there's my large bottle gourd. And do you know what's that song? Wanna dance? I don't wanna dance like this. Look where see, this is small bottle gourd but rotten. See those bad rotten leaves? Is that a rubber band? A snake! Just joking. And see these bottle gourds. It looks like a boxer glove. A boxer glove. Wanna play boxer with me? Let's play. I'm just pretending. Oh, here's another boxer. Now we will box. So funny, huh? And this is the judge. There's another bottle gourd, but not green this time. It's yellow. And look, like little bit white. You know, green plus white equals light green. But this is light green or green? Say it, explain it.
Green.
Now that's all for today, the bottle gourd garden. So bye bye, tata, assalamualaikum, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell button and like. Now I have to go. Come on. Why are you just looking at me? What? Ah, big snake! Run away! only joking. It's just a last stick. I'm sure I can pick it. Oh, it's a little bit light. Oh, wow. I'm so strong. I exercise, and I can. Now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna follow this line. I mean, stick. No, snake.
Oh,
Look, there's a bamboo. Whoa, I won't fall. I won't fall. I won't fall. I will fall. Now I have to go. Why are you just looking at me again?